How to check how many Gmail account on my number. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Deletes. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we'll launch any browser on your device. Now tap search bar and type in gmail.com and press enter on your keyboard. Or instead, you can simply hop into your Gmail app, tap profile at top right and then tap another account. From here, choose Google option. Now you'll land on the sign in page of Gmail where you need to simply tap forget email button. Now you'll reach on the section where you need to find your email using your phone number. Add your phone number and tap next button. Simply add your first name and surname which is optional. Now tap next button. So here it is given that there is no account with the info that I have provided. That means my number is not connected with any Gmail account currently. But if you have any, then you can simply see all the list of your Gmail account connected with your number. Further, when you add another username, then you may find some of your account as I do because I have altered the name of my account, and as you can see that we have got an account to sign in. That means I have connected with this number to my account. So in this way, you can easily check how many Gmail account on my number. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.